Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
UMLA ka BJP na penthor omkra ba AL hek hakala sngi ublay habakran chikilat pathai khubor ulay thobo ulay sngo halor ka jingjab ka jingsha kem jong vice president ka seng BJP Bernard and Marak hakini kitayo baladep halor kani ka jingja na kalyang ba hek ulong ba kaan kani ekabadan kam ula benrap ru da ka baong ba ka jitoket karang ya chakman habayade ba ka jingong ba kala bandan ka politics but ba menteri rang ba uting nakalyang ubahek ula kentad bar ula ong baha ka politik kamdan kum kata nakalyang ubahek ula penram jori ka jing penthot ye kinong tray ka seng daki pulet ula ong ba ka tanat pulet kam day ban penthot bat nyon ben ye kidukhot ka seng daka ba khot bat phawan nakapor shakapor
was when I was there in London. I've seen in the social media it was been arrested. So now the matter is with the law, and the law take their own course of actions regarding this. Because it is under the investigations, and then continue the investigation. Whatever the decisions will come, we have to accept. See, I don't see any political vendetta. Okay, this is because they have been arrested, that the investigation is on. Now we cannot say anything whether it is a political vendetta or anything against anyone or against the BJP. It is too early to ascertain this at present. Well, we are all elected representatives. If we think that anybody threat, can we go to become a vindictive to anyone? That is not a question to be vindictive. That becomes a question of to be threat. Why threat? Tell me. There's a law enforcement agency is there. They are under the investigation. The law enforcement agency, they will take their own course of action. So wait for the law enforcement agency to take their own course of actions. So that of course, we definitely will demand for the independent group, or from BJP will demand, will request. But only one thing which we do not like is the harassment of our party workers in Tura police station. That is very inhuman, which is not acceptable by any common citizen also. Why we have to harass the innocent people? Why have to harass them? Why have to call them 1 o'clock, keep them waiting of 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock? There's no meeting. After coming to the police station, they will tell, no, you come tomorrow. So that kind of harassment will not be accepted. So I condemn this harassment to our party workers, our career cutters should not be harassed.